Hello, I am Taiwo Balogun, and I'm using this opportunity to welcome you to the fourth episode of the series Where Money is Hiding. Do you know that money hides in your skills? Yes, money hides in your skill, and that is the fourth place where I discovered that money hides. Based on my research and my life experience, money hides in what you know that you don't value. Money hides in that profession that you don't take serious. Money hides in that your working experience. I used to have friends that were bankers, yes, and after retiring or after they've been laid off from the banking industry, they will be looking for another job. And I used to tell them, come, if I were you, I won't look for another job. Why? Because the years of experience that you've gathered in the banking industry can be converted to money. It is either you become a consultant to companies or to banks based on your working experience. So therefore, I'd like you to know that money hides in your skill or that thing that you know. You might be thinking that you don't have any skill. I want to assure you that you have skills, not skill. Skills, I mean what you can convert to money making machine. Some people are good in cooking. That is a skill that some people are looking for ways to learn how to cook. I mean how to cook good food. You might be a barber, a plumber, look at what is happening based on the lockdown. Some people are looking tattered. Why? Because there is nobody to barb them. Yes, there is nobody to barb them. You can see that I'm looking nice and clean. Why? Because I have a barber that does home service for me and I pay double. Therefore, you can turn your skill to consistent money making. And I want to assure you that if you can develop that skill that you have passion for, but you are not taking it serious, you can convert it to high income skill. How do I mean? That a high income skill that will pay you for the rest of your life. And that is why you see some influencers, some people that have built their personal brand will keep making money till their kingdom come. Why? Because they've been able to develop their ordinary skill to high income skill. And if you want me to help you in this area, I'd like you to just take a break and think of those skills that you have passion for, that people can praise and pay you for. Then comment below. I would like to work with you one-on-one, take you by hand and walk you through how you can convert your skill to high income skill and make money from it for the rest of your life. This is a promise that I am committed to if you can drop your comment below. So on this note, I'd like you to watch out for the next video on this series, and I promise it's going to add value to your life just like the one you are watching. Till I come your way next time, I remain Taiwo Balogun of www.taiwobalogun.com. Do have a wonderful day. Bye bye.